was still having a loan of about 109 crores as per our records, and we were on the way to arrange money to pay the loans. The government of Goa, under the leadership of Chief Minister Manor Parrikar, had extended our debt release scheme. So we had a ray of hope that we'll be able to close the loan accounts. That is the purpose, and our association has made a lot of efforts to get this extension. So we thought that all our members will be able to close the loan account before 31st March. Now to close the loan accounts, there are a lot of issues which were there. We had to raise some money to close the loan accounts, and we were already in the process of arranging that funds. Now if the renewal of mining leases is going to take time, and the business will start maybe at what interval it will start or when it will start is not known to us or known to the banks, then the other financing people will be reluctant to fund us. So that is our worry. So obviously we'll have to approach the government and the right authorities so that the banks which are concerned, who have given the loans, should not go hard on us at this juncture where we are trying to sort of close the loan accounts.
Certainly we will see what best can be done. Accordingly, we will first study the order, we will analyze how the situation is, we will see what best proposition we can place, and accordingly we will go ahead. Its verdict in very clear terms. Now the difficulty which we are going to face, we will have to study the order, and accordingly we will have to see what is the next process or how we can place our grievances and before which court, or how we propose it. Because there is nothing wrong about the Supreme Court's order. Supreme Court has very categorically stated what it wanted to define. So we will only have to study the order, and accordingly we will take our next step.
This meeting regarding the Supreme Court order, and सगळे मेंबरांगे collectively decision घेवपाक जाल्ले. We have called also our advocate. Association advocateाकूय हाडलेलो order वाचून explain करपाक मेंबरां. So we have given the file to him to study the order, and we will take decision only after the order is studied properly by our advocate, and also our members are studying the order. म्हळ्यार सांगपाक म्हळ्यार एक आहा की गव्हर्मेंटान ह्यो लीज 88 or 89 लीज रिन्यू केलो म्हणून आमी मेंबरांनी खुंयच्यान कित करून पयशे अरेंज करून बार्ज रिपेर केलेल्यो. पयशे नाहलो कडेन पासून लोकांनी रीण काडून हाडून बार्ज रिपेर केलेल्यो कित्याक 88 लीज रिन्यू जालो म्हणून. आनी बेस्ड ऑन दॅट वी हॅड रिपेर्ड आवर बार्जीस. आनी आयज ही ऑर्डर आयकून सारकी शॉक जाता.